Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to One Minute School. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix my computer or this missing option on Windows 10. So let's start. First of all, we need to click on the right button and we can see a menu bar like this one. Now click on the personalize and then we can see an interface like this one. Now go to theme and you can see here desktop icon sharing. Just click on that. Now you can see that the computer check marks option not marked here. Just mark on that and click apply or okay. That's it. Now you can see that here is the PC option. So thank you guys for watching these videos. If you like my videos, please press and hit on the subscribe button. Let's see you in the next videos.